Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Mr. English Guide channel. Today, we will learn about IELTS speaking tips for beginners. If you are new to IELTS, don't worry. I will make it very simple. Our goal is band 7 and above. Let's start.
Yes, teacher. I want to learn. Speaking test is difficult for me.
Don't worry. Step by step, it will be easy. We will practice together. The IELTS speaking test has 3 parts. Do you know them?
Part 1 is questions about me. Part 2 is a topic card. Part 3 is more discussion, right?
Perfect. You are correct. Now let's learn some simple tips. In part 1, the examiner asks about your life. For example, where do you live? What do you do? What do you like?
Okay, I must give short and clear answers.
Yes, but not too short. Don't just say yes or no. Add 1 or 2 extra sentences. Question: do you work or study?
I study at university. I am studying computer science. I enjoy learning about technology.
Excellent. Short, clear, natural. In part 2, you get a card. You have 1 minute to prepare, 2 minutes to speak. Many students get nervous.
Yes, I feel nervous. I don't know what to say.
Tip: use the 4W rule. Who, what, where, why. Example card: describe your favorite teacher.
My favorite teacher is Mr. Rahman. He taught me English in high school. He always smiled and explained clearly. I liked him because he encouraged me to speak.
Great. You used who, what, where, why. Very simple, but effective. In part 3, questions are deeper. For example, do you think teachers should be strict? Or, how will education change in the future?
Oh, that is difficult.
Don't worry. Use this formula: opinion plus reason plus example. Question: do you think teachers should be strict?
I think teachers should not be very strict because students feel afraid. For example, when my teacher was friendly, I learned more.
Perfect. Opinion plus reason plus example. Easy to follow. Now let's learn some useful vocabulary for IELTS speaking. I will give you the word and the meaning in simple English. Confident, sure about yourself. Describe, to say details about something. Opinion, what you think or believe. Experience, something that happened in your life. Challenge, something difficult. Opportunity, a chance to do something. Improve, make better. Enjoy, to like something. Motivate, to give energy or encouragement. Simple, easy, not hard.
These words are easy. I can use them in answers.
Yes, and when you use them, you sound more natural. Now let's practice. I will ask questions. You answer like in the exam. Where do you live?
I live in Dhaka. It is a big city. I like it because there are many shops and parks.
Good. You added extra information. What do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I usually study or read books. Sometimes I play football with my friends.
Nice variety. That is natural English. Talk about your favorite hobby.
My favorite hobby is drawing. I like drawing because it makes me relaxed. I often draw flowers and houses.
Perfect. You said what, why, and gave examples. Describe your best friend.
My best friend is Ali. We met in school 5 years ago. He is very kind and funny. We always play football together. I like him because he supports me when I have problems.
Excellent. That answer could be 2 minutes in the exam. Do you think friendship is important for students?
Yes, I think friendship is important because students can help each other. For example, I study better when my friend explains something.
Great structure. Opinion plus reason plus example. Well done, everyone. Today, we learned IELTS speaking tips for beginners. Remember, in Part 1, give short but clear answers. In Part 2, use the 4W rule. Who, what, where, why. In Part 3, use opinion plus reason plus example.
Yes, teacher, I feel more confident now.
Good. And you, dear viewers, can do it too. Practice daily, record your voice, and learn new words. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time.